Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of detecting. Okay, so in this video we are going to answer the question of how you can learn programming. So let's go. Okay, so you finally put it into your mind. You are going to learn programming and get a new job at Google, for example. So you open your computer and you don't know where to start. So in this video, we're not going to cover which programming language you should learn first, which is Python, but I have a completely different video for that. You can check it out, I think, over here. So yeah, you can do that. But in today's video we are going to say that you know which programming language you want to learn, and you have only one problem: you don't know how to learn it. So that's what we are going to cover today. You want to learn Python and you don't even know what Python idle is. So what you do? Let's start by that answer. So first of all, you have to find where you can start programming. Go to YouTube and type download Python, for example, or download C++, or download C or Java, whatever you want, and you're going to find 10 million videos. So yeah, that's really easy to do. But you did that, and now what? Are you going to YouTube and start searching Python tutorials for beginners? Which I have some tutorials, you can check them out here. Oh no, here. It doesn't matter if you're going to see is here or here. But with all that being said, what's the best way to learn the language that you want? Unfortunately, no. YouTube is not the best way to learn the programming language that you want. So what's it then? The answer is easy. You want to learn Python. That's an example. From who you want to learn Python? From someone that you don't even know? Or from the people that created Python? You choose. So if your answer was the second one, the people that created Python, you are in the correct way. So go to the Python website. I am talking about Python as an example. Go to the C++ website, and there they have something that's called tutorials or something like that. So what you have to do is start reading. And I know that it sounds boring and all that stuff, but when you start reading, you are going to understand that that's how you're going to learn the language. There they have everything. Not even kidding. They have everything that you need to know to be a Python monster. There they have everything you need to know to be a Python master. So that's how you learn Python. If you don't understand the topic, then go to YouTube and search it. So you're going to see a person talking to you, and it's probably going to be easier to understand. But if you want to learn everything, go to the specific language website. So that's all you need to know, I guess. And if you don't want to learn a specific topic, just skip it, but not in the beginning stuff. So don't skip variables lists, because then you're not going to understand anything. But for example, when you go to security and all that stuff, you can skip those things really quickly, or just read them one time and then go away. But now the second thing that you need to know is that you read and read and read, and then you say I'm a master, but you try to do something and you can't because you don't remember anything. So what you have to do there is basically practice. So you learn variables with beginner topic, so you learn variables and then you go to the next topic, or you open your Python idle, or again your C++, whatever you have, and you try to do an example. For example, really nice. So you have, let's say, a variable a and a variable b. The first variable is equal to 10 and the second variable is equal to 10 as well. So what the Python website is going to tell you is, for example, you're going to have to print the a plus b and you're going to get an answer of 20. Now you probably did not understand anything of that, but just stick with me a little bit. I'm going to tell you what everything means, or not what everything means, but you're going to see. What you have to do then is go first of all and do the same example by your own, so without looking the Python website. And then what you have to do is just go ahead and create something a little bit harder. For example, you have your variable a, b, and you create a variable c, or a variable answer, you can name it whatever you want, that is equal to a plus b, and then you print the answer is answer, and you get the same exactly the same answer, or that's your output, but you did it with a different way. So you learn something by yourself, you put your brain to work and all that stuff. Again, if you did not understand the thing that I just said, don't care, you're going to learn everything in just one day. If you see my tutorials that are here somewhere, or if you go to the Python website and you learn those really basic things that are in chapter 1, I guess. So yeah, everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the comments, why not, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments below. That's it for me, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.